nicer.
Can you do us a favour? Have fun.
Haha, will do. On the bump there, mate. Right, let's find out what this XJS is all about then. Oh, pretty firm on the old steering wheel. Wow, brakes are good. Nice feel to those. In over this first apex. Loads of torque. What a great car. I'm pleasantly surprised by this. Off down the hanger straight. Oh, we've got some grunt, I tell you what. Off we go then. 6,000 is what they've told me I'm shifting at. Where we're going to brake for Stowe. Whoa, good old brake system on it. Wow, that's so impressive. Mid corner, moving around. She's a heavy old girl. Oh, what have I got down the outside of me? Yeah, that should be faster than me for sure. Over the inside curve here. Turn it into club. First time down the start straight. Cool thing. Check the mirrors. First flying lap in the XJS. In we go. A lot of grip at the apex. Down to third. Might have second later in the run for this first hairpin, I think. Big lock up on the prototype in front. Well, that's what happens when she gets out of shape. Point the nose in, get it square, and off we go, pedal. And the handling has sort of gentle understeer initially, then you get this big swap of oversteer if you're too greedy on the throttle. So that actually helps you turn the car through the final part of the corner. Make the move on this fun cup car down the inside of T1. It's a short little track here. I'm going to get a go at all of these corners a couple of times. Right, down the box, down to third. It's got so much torque. I'm actually reticent to go any further down the gearbox than third gear. Just, I don't need to give myself any more to do than I have to. So fun through the exit there. Good oil pressure, decent water temperature, with power. Let's brake a little bit later into Stowe. Down the box, lovely heel and toe, turning a little bit later. That's a better line through there. It's going to give me more through the exit. I'm going to have third next lap around in Stowe corner. Third gear is the magic one. All the power is low. In third, 4,000 it pulls from. That's impressive. I love a V12 engine. Go, go, go. Haha. Brought the rear tyres alive now. It almost bit me down in turn one. That rear left is not my friend.